Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hub. So today I am going to start with a new topic in HTML called images. Images plays a very important role in web development because any site you see it is filled with images. So images plays a very important role. So I am going to start with images in HTML. So let's start. HTML. Let's give the name images. Let's give the name images. Example. Then come to this body section and write one heading. What we can write, you can write anything. Okay, I will be writing welcome to Coding Hub. Oh, sorry, the mistake. Welcome to Coding Hub. Okay, like this I have written. Okay, press Ctrl S. Okay, and just run it. Let's see what is coming. So we are getting this over here. Okay, so let's put it in center. So as you all know that I have said you that how to put this in center. So we can write center and we can easily put it in center. Whether I am writing in uppercase or lowercase, it does not matter in HTML. So there is no such issues with uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so I have given the heading. Just press Ctrl S and just check it whether we are getting or not. Just refresh it. Yes, we are getting the heading. Okay, now I want to deal with images. So for that I require an image, right? So we require an image. So what I did at first, I made a one folder called images, and within these images I have saved one picture called cat. Okay, cat1. So you also do the same thing, make a folder and save it in folder. Okay, so let's start. img is the tag which will be used for images, and src is the source where your file is located, so it acts as a reference. Okay, it will be a source basically. So where your file is located, that location you have to give. So our file is in basically in images folder. Okay, so basically in where it is our file, so it is in images, and within that images we have cat1. Okay, so images slash, we have to put slash cat1 dot jpg. Fine, we have made it. Let press Ctrl S and just check it whether we are getting or not, whether we are getting or not the output. Yes, we are getting this big image of our cat. We can change the size of the image. How can we do? Yes, there is a property. Okay, you can change by width, by taking the width 40%. Okay, according to your wish you can take, and height, you can take the height. I can choose as 50. Just Ctrl S and just check it whether we are getting or not. Yes, we are getting the image of a cat. Fine, we are getting the image of a cat. One thing I want to do is that whenever I hover the mouse on the image, certain name should display, because how the user is going to identify which image is this one. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hover something. So that can be done very easily with the help of the property that is called title. So I can give the title cat image. Okay, cat images, not images, image. Control S and just check it whether we are getting or not. Save it. See, whenever I am hovering, it is showing cat image. Okay, one thing you can do with this image, what you can do is that you can apply Mercue. Okay, we can apply what? We can apply Mercue in this particular image. Mercue, and let's see whether it is working or not. Control S. So we can deal with Mercue tag also in images. Okay, as you can see, we can use the Mercue tag. Okay, one more thing we can do various things. What I can do is that I can put this in center. For that, let me do one thing. Just remove this one from here and put it at last. Okay, I am putting it in last. Center, done. One thing more we can do, just copy this entire bit of code. Just copy it and just do one thing. Save it over here. Control V, paste it over here. One thing we can do is that we can see more images, right? So we can see more images in this. How can we do? Let's say for 25. Let's say it's 30. I will be applying for same over here also. 25, and then I will be applying for this also. That is 30. Control S and just check it whether we are getting or not our desired output. Yes, we are getting this image at the center, and this is the Mercue tag which is rotating around it. One thing more I can do is that I can change this background color. So for that we do have a property called BG color for background in the body section. Green, make it green. It looks very good. Cancel it, this one, and make it green. Save as. Okay, so this was all about working with images. In upcoming video I will be uploading more and more videos, so please do subscribe my channel, and please do comment, please do like, and if any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.